everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Princess Queen V, and I'm right back with another tutorial. And on this tutorial I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful donut bun with my natural hair. So if you're interested in finding out how I did this, so please let's get started. That was the final. That's the look. Tell me what you guys think about this easy and simple bun that you can wear as a protective hairstyle, or you can wear any time of your choice. So please don't forget to comment down below the description box what you think about this, or what would you love me to film on my next tutorial. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you always be notified when I'm posting new video, because there will be more tutorial coming in your way. And if you guys prefer me to do a tutorial on how I did this soft glam makeup, so please just comment down below the description box, then I will drop it for you. So thank you for watching. See you.